Here's another job opportunity. This time it's at Sanlam. Let's scroll down. Let's see what are the requirements. The job advertised is a service desk consultant. Let's click on it. Let's scroll down. Let's see what are the requirements. The job is located at Belleville, Western Cape. So if you are in the Western Cape, Cape Town, here's a job opportunity. So what are the responsibilities for this job? You will be responsible for responding to IT user requests. You will be the first line support. So basically you'll be assisting users when they have any IT issues. They'll phone you or log a ticket, and then you'll be the first person to deal with that ticket. Qualifications for this job, one grade 12, someone maybe who has A plus or N plus. Talking about A plus and N plus, just remember that you can learn A plus and N plus on Udemy or other platforms. You can do a self-study and then you can book exams to pass A plus and N plus. But if you're one of those people who are struggling to learn by themselves and you need assistance, then you can come to me. I do offer A plus and N plus and Security plus assistance for those people who are struggling to learn by themselves. I can assist you on how to write and how to prepare the exams. I do take exams every year when it comes to A plus and N plus, so I do know how they ask questions and what kind of questions they ask. So if you are one of those people who needs assistance, then you can contact me and then I can assist you. Let's get back to the video. A degree and diploma, it would be an advantage if you have that, but it's not a requirement. They do want some experience working with customers. So here's an opportunity if you are in the Western Cape or if you want to work in the Western Cape. So go fix up your CV and then apply for this position. And how much can you earn as a service desk consultant at Sanlam? So according to Glassdoor, you can earn anything from 20,000 to 31,000, but that will depend obviously on your experience and qualifications. But an average salary, it shows that it can be 22,000 per month. So go and apply and good luck, guys.